There's nothing quite like starting your morning with a fresh, healthy avocado. A couple of days ago, I picked up this huge, perfect avocado. So today, I'm going to show you how to make a super quick, high-protein breakfast of champions. The ultimate avocado tuna toast. Let's get started. We're kicking things off with our base. 4 slices of fresh sourdough bread. I'm using a round loaf today, which gives them this great shape. Spread a generous layer of butter on one side of each slice. Then pop them straight into your favorite skillet over medium heat. Toast them until they get perfectly golden brown and crispy to your liking. While our sourdough toasts, it's time to prepare our gorgeous avocado. Pay attention, because here is my favorite, clean way to slice and peel an avocado. Use your knife to slice all the way around the avocado lengthwise, feeling the blade hit the large seed inside. Once you've completed the circle, simply twist the 2 halves as if you're opening a jar. And voila, perfectly separated. Now, give the seed a firm but gentle whack with the blade of your knife and it pops right out. Fast and easy. Alright, back to the stovetop. Let's give our toast a quick flip. Well, it got a little more toasted than I wanted, but it's okay. Now let's get back to our avocado. Okay, here is a super simple trick to scoop out the avocado flesh intact. Take a large spoon, slide it gently right between the skin and the pulp, and trace the curve all the way around. If you do it right, you'll end up with a completely clean, empty skin. After that, just slice or dice your avocado to your preferred thickness. By the way, here's a quick pro tip on how to tell if your avocado is ripe and ready. Give it a gentle shake near your ear. If you feel or hear the pit slightly loose inside, it's good to go. Also, give it a soft press. If it yields slightly without feeling mushy, it's perfect. While some people speed up ripening by putting them in an oven or wrapping them in newspaper, I prefer letting nature do its thing naturally. To keep our avocado bright green and prevent it from turning brown, sprinkle a little fresh lemon juice over the chopped avocado. 1 juice-filled lemon is usually more than enough, depending on its size. Now, for our main protein boost, grab a can of tuna drained in water. With all our ingredients ready, it's time to assemble these delicious toasts. Let's arrange our crispy sourdough slices onto our serving board. Now, load each toast generously with our fresh avocado, because after all, it wouldn't be avocado toast without plenty of avocado. Right on top, layer that lean tuna. Now, as a personal touch, I haven't added any extra salt or black pepper at this stage. I love letting the natural flavors of each wholesome ingredient shine through, as they already carry their own fresh taste. But of course, feel free to season to your liking. Now, we just have one final ingredient to add. To wrap it all up, we're adding just a light drizzle of Sriracha hot sauce. Just a tiny touch to elevate the flavors with a bit of kick. Or as my dad likes to say, a touch of madness. And just like that, it's time to serve. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's how incredible this delicious healthy breakfast looks. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give it a like, and click on this playlist right here to check out my other quick and easy breakfast ideas. Hope you love it. Ciao!